Good day, guys. Just a quick discussion on a few things going on with geopolitical events around the world. So we're about 4 hours away from the deadline that the Trump administration has given to Iran. Yesterday was like the calm before the storm. Market's very quiet. The volume was about the same as what we had on Christmas Eve, and we only traded half a day on Christmas Eve. So if we just get into the charts here, and if you can see down the bottom here, that's the 24th of December. So that's the volume. So if we just get this little one here and we click on that, we can see we had pretty much, I think we had lower volume yesterday than what we did have on Christmas Eve, and we traded for a full day yesterday. So there's a couple of things that I'm looking at. I've already entered a 1/5 position on a short on oil. So the way I play that is I am short USO, which is an ETF. I'll probably be out, well, I will be adding another 4/5 to that position if I have to. I just want to show you the oil chart, and I'll show you why I've taken this trade. And it's very similar to the silver trade that I took a while back. So here we got US oil here. We're on the weekly chart. So I've got a pivot high here, a pivot high there. So I've drawn that trend line down there. I've got another trend line from this pivot high here to this pivot high here. Now, if we go to the daily chart, I want to show you this parallel channel that I've found. So just wind that up. Okay, so we've got our little parallel tool there. If we go from here, that pivot low there to there, just push that across there. You can see we're forming a parallel channel here. So I'm already in this position. My average price on USO, which is the ETF that I'm using to take this short, is average price is $139. That's a 1/5 position, and I will add to this position. So where I'll be adding to this position is here, around here, and I'll show you how I find the first position or the second position that I'm going to add to. So if we get this Fibonacci here, it's a channel Fibonacci. So we're inside the channel, just draw it along there, and we just take that up to there, and we can see, just fit that in there nicely. So we can see if we push up into this level here, that's where I'll be adding my second lot, and then I'll play it by ear. But I've got all the way up to here, which is that other trend line. So I've got plenty of maneuverability within this trade. So I'll be adding here, I'll be adding here, and I'll be adding again when the market opens. So, which will probably be around here. So that's the way I'll be playing oil. So that's my take on oil. I reckon we're going to get a big move to the downside, and I believe it's going to come soon, and it'll drop hard. So I just had a look on Interactive Brokers. There's no more USO to short. So what I've done, I've taken a long position in SCO, which is a 2x inverse oil ETF. So you take a long position in SCO, and when oil drops 2%, that'll go up 4%. So keep in mind, make sure you understand what you're doing. Just have a little talk to chat if you're not sure about the inverse ETF, and he'll explain it to you. Thanks for watching the clip. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And if you like the content, give me a little thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.